Is it time to buy or sell China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore China Liberal Education Holdings Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 4th of February, 2025, and we are here to offer an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has identified China Liberal Education Holdings Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.56. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 1.21%. This results in an average return of 0.30% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and strong upward trend in the short term. This indicates a slower pace of increase and may serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. With the trend now broken, there will be resistance at the lower boundary of the trend, which is 211 cents. A reaction back to this level might provide a second opportunity to exit before further declines occur. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 18.66% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 66.52% to 6,168.31%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a predicted change of negative 51.31% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 100% and 9,113.42%. This means the price could range from $0 to $13.82 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited includes the headline: Volatile ride for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price on Tuesday, moving between 0.149 and 0.169. The China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price fell by 9.09% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, dropping from 0.165 to 0.150. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 13.8%, reaching a low of 0.149 and a high of 0.169. Although the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still down by 97.18% over this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is actually a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 14 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $4.5 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $52.05, while the lowest was 0.130. Currently, the price is 99.71%, or $51.90, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $2,353.35, below the all-time high reached on the 28th of August, 2020, when the price peaked at $2,353.50. China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, trading under the ticker CLEU, has recently regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement. On the 10th of January, 2025, the company announced that it received notification from Nasdaq, confirming that it met the conditions after previously being marked non-compliant in August of 2024. This recovery is particularly significant as it helps bolster investor confidence and ensures that CLEU remains on the Nasdaq exchange, mitigating the risk of delisting. In addition, earlier consolidation activities, including a share consolidation announced in December of 2024, may affect the stock's liquidity and perceived value. Consolidations can sometimes lead to a short-term price surge, as the reduced number of shares may attract more investors seeking stability in the share price structure. However, long-term effects can be mixed, especially if the underlying business fundamentals do not improve. In the short term, the regained compliance could act as a catalyst for price appreciation as investors react positively to the news. In the long term, If the company can build on this compliance and effectively improve its financial performance, particularly after reporting revenue declines in previous periods, CLEU could position itself for a more robust market presence. However, sustained growth will largely depend on the successful execution of its business strategy in the competitive educational services market. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio maintains a neutral stance. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 30th, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 1.21%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two moving averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $3.37 and $3.82. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 2 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages had a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. China Liberal Education Holdings Limited finds support from accumulated volume at 0.148, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests this stock is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0205 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 13.8%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 155.9%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could pose risks of potential bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited is at 0.165. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, China Liberal Education Holdings Limited encounters its first support level at 0.148. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a good investment? Currently, China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock presents multiple negative indicators. Although there's a positive trend, we anticipate that China Liberal Education Holdings Limited will likely underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock remains unfavorable. After examining the fluctuations and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of February, we predict that China Liberal Education Holdings Limited will open at a price of approximately 0.0058 and commence trading around 0.156. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.